All right, let's smoke a meatloaf, huh? What I like to do with all my meatloaf recipes, baked or smoked, is take the breadcrumbs and milk, because I use them in all my recipes, and just kind of let the milk soak into the breadcrumbs. So we'll add egg to a big bowl, splash Worcestershire sauce, a pound of beef and a pound of pork, and we went with green onions for this one. Chop those up. Some garlic powder, sprinkle of smoked salt. And now, barbecue pit boys. If you don't know these guys on YouTube, they're like barbecue gods on YouTube. I'm using their Kansas City smoke rub. We'll rub some on the outside too. And also using their smoky whiskey sauce. Both highly recommended, good stuff. But, we'll throw a little in the meatloaf mixture too, along with some pepper and some cubed up mozzarella. You can use provolone too, or even smoked provolone or smoked mozzarella. And that's the hard cheese. That's like a block of cheese, not like the fresh mozzarella or anything. Breadcrumb mixture, you can see the milk soaked in. It just feels like it adds like a soft texture to the meatloaf, so I just always do it like that. Mix it up really good, form it, and we'll put it on the tray. Spray down the tray with your favorite non-stick spray. Using canola oil there. Put it on there and play with it a little bit, I guess. Then we're going to add that barbecue Pit Boys Kansas City smoke rub and put it in the smoker. We're going at 250 degrees for about 2 hours. Look at that color. And we're going to glaze it after 2 hours with that barbecue Pit Boys smoky whiskey sauce. It's just going to, you'll see, it's going to look good. Probably for 30 minutes, maybe an hour more. You want an internal temperature of 155. And yeah, there you go. This is actually the first meatloaf I've smoked, and it turned out really good. I mean, just look at that. Cheese is oozing out. Oh, it just looks so good. There we go. That's the thumbnail. Oh, yeah. Let's give it a slice. It turned out so moist. The cheese added a whole new thing. I've never done cheese and meatloaf before, and yeah, I'll definitely be doing it again. Hit subscribe, like the video if you love some smoked meatloaf. This is the first one I've tried, so any questions? Let me know in the comments below. It's Cooking with Chris. Smoked meatloaf.